Well, my friends, it's been a minute. So let's get into it. My views have taken a dive, like a flat out dive since April, and I'm just going to move this around. I'm not really sure what's going on. I did consult ChatGPT later on today. I made some changes. So this I'm doing, so things I've learned that have changed. I've learned better thumbnail design. I'm still not great at it. I've learned the importance of putting hashtags in the description box, not just tagging the video. Let's see, what else do I also have? I've learned to do A/B testing of thumbnails. Now, these are not getting any traction right now, so it's almost a moot point, but I'm keeping the faith. I'm keeping the faith. So this is one. Now, one of the big mistakes that I've been making is I'll make talking head videos, and I had just been trying to get videos on, and I really hadn't been taking the time to flesh out the thumbnail, flesh out the hashtags, flesh out the description. And really you need, I know you need all of those things firing in order for this to work, but there's definitely times where I took the easy way out and I did not have all of those things in place, and I just got the video up to get the video up. So that's my hubris. I'm aware of it and I have to try and change it. What you see here is I have vidIQ running, and I've tried a bunch of tools too, and maybe I'll actually do a video on what tools I've kept, what tools I've dumped as a new YouTuber. So this used to be what I have this as before. Let me see. That was a different title, and this is one that ChatGPT suggested. So this was kind of a rant for me that was talking about the absence of women in midlife in popular media, like how we just go from, like, there's a lot of advertisements showing women in their 20s and 30s with nightlife and friends and going out and all that stuff. And then for my generation, we'll see women like in Depends advertisements and arthritis advertisements. And, it's just so weird. It's just so weird. And so that's what this video is about. So I redid my title according to ChatGPT. I redid my description with some of the suggestions. Most of this is completely mine. Life with Sandra Hart is an amazing channel, and I love her dearly. And I'm learning from her. She's an 80-year-old YouTuber. And then here's my A/B testing. So let's see if I can see this. So it's not going to show a real test report. So basically, this was the thumbnail suggestion I got from ChatGPT that I took and I added stuff. And then when I fed it back to ChatGPT, it said that basically it was too busy and that I needed to simplify it. So I don't know. We'll see what it says. Now let me bring my ChatGPT window in here. There we go. All right. So in my window, so basically the prompt was, I need you to assume the role of a YouTube expert, someone who really understands the algorithm and what makes YouTubers successful, because I want to see why my views have actually gone down. And I don't know if it's because I departed a little bit from my content niche, because I was getting bored. So basically it makes this very positive statement about what it can do. And I said, channel audit, my views have decreased dramatically. And so then it said what I needed to do, and it was good. It asked for my channel link or name, my most viewed videos, my most recent 5 to 10 uploads, any recent changes in strategy, yada, yada, yada. So this is all the information that I gave it. Then my top performing content, which ironically was when I got my face lasered video, and another one about glutes and how to train your glutes. And so it starts analyzing this, and then it asks for the ones that are not, or the most recent ones. And so it's really good about these things. But I think what we're coming to here that I'm going to try and work on is starting a repeat content series. So midlife truth bombs, fit over 50 Fridays, what I eat and why, or what I eat on Wednesdays, because I'm getting a little bored. I love fitness and I love helping women in this area, but I also have a lot of other interests. And so it's kind of, it almost feels inauthentic in a way to niche so hard in one area when I feel like there's a whole spectrum of stuff that I like and that I could talk about with reasonable intelligence. So, and the one thing that we both agree with, like, I can't worry about the subscriber count, right? I've got 61 subscribers, and I'm very grateful for all 61 on that channel that I'm talking about, and super, super grateful for them. But I need to get more traffic. And the only thing that actually went almost, well, viral for me, because virality is a comparison of what your current views are like. If I'm only getting like single digit views, then getting 1,000 views is viral for me. So here, it also liked revised title options for like one of my videos, quitting. And it also helped me with changing my thumbnail for that video, and also my thumbnail for, let's see which video. We have this one, the Fed Up video, and let's go. Stop the Insanity. This video, I changed that a little bit, but not much. But you can see my thumbnail game has gotten better. Like my earlier thumbnails, I'm just using Canva templates here. All of these are Canva templates. And then I have some things that are just really not covered. So I'm working on it. But I haven't been here in a while, so I just wanted to give a quick update of, like, you know, what's going on in my journey on YouTube. I'm definitely taking longer than others to get more subscribers and to grow my channel. But I also see other people really working so much harder on their edits than I am. And that's something that, a lesson I need to learn. I think the big thing for me was a couple of the YouTubers that are brand new that I started following. Like one of them was a vloggy kind of style, and her very first video got like 1,000 views. And I was like, girl, what's wrong with me? Why am I not getting that many views? But I'm clearly not doing something that she's doing. So that's what I got. I am looking forward to getting more. And as far as my other channels go, I've really been focusing on the muscle, midlife muscle and mindset. I will get back to, I have content planned for this particular channel, which is Midlife Money and Miles. But we'll see how it goes. But I appreciate you watching. I hope this is helpful for somebody. So the tools that I've been using consistently: Canva for my thumbnails. I've been using vidIQ to help me when it comes to generating ideas. Sometimes they're hit and miss. I can't say 100% it's been worth it. I have used Opus Clip. I just stopped that subscription. I have used Riverside. I just stopped that subscription. I didn't find I was using them that much. Right now I'm using CapCut for editing because it's available on my phone and I can use it, the desktop version. So that makes it easy. I do have a subscription to Epidemic Sound. I haven't been using it as much, and I probably should because I am paying for it. And my newest addition to this whole process, I don't know if she's here. Yeah, she is. My newest addition to this whole process, which I'm not currently recording on, is my DJI Pocket Pro. This thing is amazing. There we go. It's so cool. And it does have a tracking feature on it, which I'll try and demonstrate later, where I can initiate tracking on it and it will track my face or track me and move with me, which is super cool. So that's the update. A couple of new tools, let go of some subscriptions. I'm considering trying Descript for editing. It might be a little bit too advanced for me right now, but that's it. So you don't have to do everything if you're brand new to YouTube and you're looking to get started. I think I might be, I don't know where I'm placing in the world of YouTube as far as difficult stuff. But I can say that you don't need to do the stuff I've gotten. You don't need to get the stuff I've gotten. You can use free apps. You can just use your phone. I've just been doing it now for a year and I just wanted something a little bit different to make it more interesting for me. And that's it, my friends. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.